So all the way till day 7 and you are ready to launch your affiliate marketing business, my friend, literally step by step. And if this is not one of the best affiliate marketing networks for beginners, then I don't know. I'm involved in this. I'm doing this. In actual fact, you're watching this video right now and going through everything and all the details that I've just shared with you. That is the business, my friend. This is exactly what I'm doing myself. And that is why I'm sharing it with you, especially if you are a beginner and you want to set up a legitimate long-term business, then my friend, there is nothing better than this at this point in time. Hi there, my friend, Errol Mueller here, and welcome to another video. In this specific video, in actual fact, you might have searched what are the best affiliate networks for beginners, and that is what I'm going to cover within this video. And I'm going to share something with you that not only myself are involved in, but we are thousands of individuals involved in this. And in actual fact, it creates no competition. It's something that you can set up literally your own legitimate affiliate marketing business. You, as a complete beginner, you can start with this and you can succeed within any type of affiliate marketing direction or niche that you want to succeed in. Now, you just need to follow the steps. So who am I and why should you listen to this video? My name is Errol Mueller. I've been online since the year 2015. I've made thousands of dollars online. And in actual fact, if you want to follow my social media journey, where I share from time to time my income with you and the affiliate commissions that I make, you're more than welcome to go into the description of this video and you should find a section where all my social media links are basically listed. In actual fact, there's a link for you to join at the time of me shooting this video to join our private VIP community for entrepreneurs for absolutely $0 at the time of me shooting this video. So I would highly suggest you join the community now, because going forward, maybe in the next few months or so, I will be making it a paid community, because the value that you will be getting on that community or from that community, my friend, is worth thousands and thousands of dollars. We used to sell courses that I'm giving away for free now at this point in time for thousands of dollars. So while you can still join the community for free, I highly suggest so. Okay, and then yes, so why should you watch this video? So what I do is I help individuals like yourself, beginners looking at affiliate marketing networks, and I put you on the right path. And I direct you in order to succeed with affiliate marketing. Now, there's no guarantees in life. In actual fact, on your screen right now is a disclaimer. Do take some time, pause this video, read that disclaimer, and let's continue along. Now, I want to put you on the right path within this video in order for you to succeed with affiliate marketing, in order for you to be financially successful in the direction that you want to go. And like I said, I've been online since the year 2015. I've earned thousands of dollars, and I've been through the rough times. Believe me, my friend, I've spent thousands and thousands of dollars on courses before, on forex trading, numerous other things. And what I'm about to share with you, which is affiliate marketing, is the best and the most easiest model to start as a complete beginner in order to get you into profit generating situations like this. Okay, so let's get started. On your screen right now, I'm the owner and founder of EmpireDigest.com. So the first link in the description below this video will bring you over to this page. I want you to click that link, and once you're on, you will see it says here, the secret affiliate model elite marketers currently use to generate massive commissions on demand. Now, that is what I want to share with you. Then I want you to go ahead and click the yes, I want in button. Once you click the yes, I want in button, it will bring you over to a page that looks like this. Now, I'm going to take you to the back end. You're more than welcome to watch this video on the left hand side and then click the yes, save my free spot, enter your email address, enter your name, and watch that training. My friend, it's a masterclass training. And what we share, or what my mentor Vic shares within that video, is something you might have never, ever heard of before. And we call it the hub-centric model. Now, if I go back one page, this right here is the hub-centric model. It's a hub. It's a front end to numerous other affiliate links and things like webinars, courses, resources, forex, crypto, etc., which is a hub that you get out of the box and you can set it up around, and you can play with it, change it, do whatever you want to do, my friend, to make it yours. So this is most probably the best affiliate marketing network for beginners. Okay, You can model it, you can change it. In actual fact, you've got full access. Firstly, you get this out of the box, then you get the base out of the box, and then you can model this, you can change it, you can do whatever you want to do, you can tweak it, you can change these tabs at the bottom, you can change the images, you can do whatever you do, my friend. But you're getting a call it a hub, a design that is worth that is in actual fact worth $30,000 and more if you were to purchase this from website developers and website designers, and you getting this out of the box. Now, what I want to do is now I want to jump into the back end of this program, this that I just shared with you. So after you've made your purchase and you decide that you want to join us and you want to join the affiliate business system, you will get access to this community right here, my friend. You will get invited to this community. At this point in time, the main community, our mentors community, is sitting at 2,665 members, growing every single day. Now, the community, my personal community that I work with my members who joined underneath me, or I wouldn't say underneath me, who started their own business, because this is not a network marketing type of thing where you sponsor the next one sponsor the next one. It doesn't work like that. It's not that at all. Community.EmpireDigest.com. So you will find this link in the description below this video. This is my private community where I work with my members. And in actual fact, my friend, when you join, like I said, now for absolutely free, at the time of me shooting this video, we are currently 63 members that I'm personally working with. You will get access to this community. You will get access to this tab right here, which is courses. Courses we used to sell for thousands of dollars, you will get access to for free, my friend. 7 steps to freedom, mass traffic blueprint. If you want to get traffic to your website, your products and your offerings like this, you will get access to this course for absolutely free. Access to all these courses, my friend, for free. Facebook domination, pay-per-click secrets, etc. Now, this you can get access to for free. The affiliate business system, this is the main community. After you've made your purchase that you will get invited to, then you can go to the training section. Once on the training section, my friend, you will get access to the affiliate business system. At the time of me shooting this video, it's just called 2.0 because we had to do like a bit of an upgrade in the back end. But maybe by the time you're watching this video, it will just be called the affiliate business system. What else will you get access to? So if you open up this right here, the affiliate business system 2.0, it will bring you over to this right here. Let me share with you quickly. So for a complete beginner, an affiliate marketing networks beginner, because that's basically what you've searched for, this is what you will get access to, which is the ABS 2.0, this right here, 2.0, a step-by-step guide, my friend. Literally 7 days in order for you to launch your business and start putting you into profit generating positions within 7 days or less, depending on how quickly you advance and how quickly you go through the training and set up everything you need to set up. My friend, we don't leave you in the dark. You literally get access to a full-on traffic and marketing module as well, where my mentor shares with you what you can do in order to start generating traffic, whether it be free traffic or paid advertising. This video that you're on right now, in actual fact, is free advertising. I'm paying with it in time, but not in physical dollars. And then I also do paid advertising. In actual fact, let me go back. I want to share something with you. Let me go back one more. So not only will you then get access after you've made your purchase to the affiliate business system 2.0, you will get access to all those days that I've just shared with you. You will then get access to the internet traffic mastery, list building mastery, communication, conversion mastery, tribe building mastery. Once again, mass traffic blueprint. Just this one right here, this internet traffic mastery. My friend, this course used to sell for $5,000 at one point in time. Then we dropped it down to $2,000. Then we dropped it down to $500, and now it all forms part of this package. So when you get started right here, this all forms part of the package that you will get access to. The Build Your Community Challenge. I'm not sure at the time when you join if you will have access to the Build Your Community Challenge. Depending on the type of offer that you see, you might get this built into the entire package that you get offered. Okay, otherwise this might be a separate purchase. Now the same goes for, if you scroll all the way to the bottom to YouTube ads for ABS, it might form part of your package or not. At the time of me shooting this video, this module is grayed out. because we're just making, or my mentor and the developers are making a few changes. Now, this course is already launched by one of my other mentors. In actual fact, the owner and the creator of that course. His name is Vlad, and I can show you, in actual fact, a little bit later on in this video, I might show you the back end of what that looks like. Now, that is if you want to scale your business, my friend. You want to take your affiliate marketing business from year to year, but like this, quickly. So you get free advertising, which is me shooting this video, which takes some time, to gain traction, people watching the video, YouTube ranking it higher within the search engine. In actual fact, while watching this video right now, if you enjoyed this type of content, what I'm sharing with you right now, please give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, because I wanted to rank as quickly, as high as possible within the Google and YouTube rankings, in order to help more individuals like yourself watching this video. I want to help affiliate marketers or individuals like yourself looking for affiliate marketing networks for beginners. And this is it. This is where you can start as a beginner, and then you can build your successes from there. Now, this course, YouTube ads, is if you want to get traffic on demand, thousands of visitors to your offers, products, or services, literally within 24 hours or less, depending on how long it takes for Google to approve your ad. Because YouTube ads is part of Google, then it might take up to 48 hours, my friend. But then you will start receiving thousands of visitors to your offers when set up right. And this course right here teaches you everything in order to set it up right, so you can get thousands of visitors literally within a few days. Okay. So that is everything, my friend, that you will get access to. Not only that, in actual fact, in the Affiliate Business System 2.0, you will get access to something called eStage. As you can see on the top left-hand side, you will get access to eStage. Now, eStage is this hub right here. It's the foundation of this hub. It's the back end of this hub, so that you can play with this, you can model it, you can change it, depending on what it is that you want to do. Now, I've got a totally different YouTube channel structured around Forex trading, because I used to trade Forex myself. I now invest in Forex traders, and I used to sell my own Forex trading courses. And in actual fact, this page is something that I've created completely separate. I've designed and I've created this page, and that is what you will get access to, is eStage in the back end as well. Because this hub that I'm on right now gets hosted and runs off of the eStage platform. This is the eStage platform, the front end. You will get access to the back end. Now, I designed this page, I created this page, and I refer, and I, for example, take people over to the Forex Trading Robots page for people looking at Forex Trading Robots, as you can see, and then I share quite a few Forex Trading Robots with them. So this is all the power and things you have access to, my friend, when you decide to join the Affiliate Business System, which is the first link in the description below this video, which will take you to the home page, this page right here. So, my friend, you get so much value. I mean, thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars worth of value that you are getting for literally only a few $100s at the time of me shooting this video. I know the price is going to go up because we're bundling more products and things together in order to help you benefit from the start. So the price will be going up. That I can promise you. At the time of me shooting this video, I'm not sure what offering you are getting, but if you're getting the $497 offering, my friend, go for it. If I was you, I'm just saying, I'm talking out of my own experience because I've been through it. I know what I'm talking about. I'm literally a live example talking to you right now. If I was you, make the decision, get that $497 offering, and then you will get presented with something called the integrated product suite. That, my friend, is something you definitely want to take advantage of, as well as the integrated product suite. Now, at the time of you watching this video, we might have changed the whole structure and bundled everything together. You might get a different offering. So yes, the price will be increasing. I think the price will be going, there will be different, I think 3 different price levels, but I think it will be going up to $1,997. So you see the difference. Okay, so my friend, if I can advise you right now, I would say make the decision and get started now while the price is still low. Now, there's no guarantees. I cannot guarantee your success. I cannot guarantee that you will even set up your hub, that you will even do what is required of you, that you will even go through the 7 steps that is required of you, or the 7 days, sorry, not the 7 steps, the 7 days. I cannot guarantee anything. I cannot guarantee your success. What I can guarantee is that if you go through all of this, if you go through everything and actually implement what you need to do, my friend, you will have a business set up, an online affiliate marketing business set up, ready to go, ready to start, generating profit. That is a guarantee I can guarantee, but I cannot guarantee your success or any financial success for that matter. So my friend, thank you for watching. Remember to give this video a like, leave me a comment if you want to, and if you haven't done so yet, subscribe. But once again, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. I appreciate your time, and may you watching this video be blessed with a life filled with abundance, financial success, love, happiness, health. It all forms part of a good life and of good living. So may you be blessed with everything good and wonderful. And stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe in order to watch my next video. And on the top right hand side, there's numerous other videos for you to watch as well on my YouTube channel. And watch those videos because I'm sharing everything all around affiliate marketing, my friend, towards your benefit. Okay, thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy.